Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary theories. And in this video, we are going to evaluate modernism and postmodernism. Introduction. The debate between modernism and postmodernism remains a significant topic in the study of 20th century culture. Understanding the distinctions and commonalities between these movements is crucial for a comprehensive grasp of their impact on arts and literature. This video critically assesses modernism and postmodernism, focusing on their historical contexts, defining characteristics, and cultural implications. Historical contexts and origins. Modernism's earthquake. Modernism, a dominant force in early 20th century arts, emerged as a reaction against pre-20th century practices. This earthquake in the arts had its epicenter in Vienna between 1890 and 1910, with its tremors felt across France, Germany, Italy and Britain. Movements like Cubism, Dadaism, Surrealism and Futurism epitomized modernism's radical break from tradition. Without understanding modernism, one cannot fully grasp 20th century cultural dynamics. Postmodernism's emergence. Postmodernism, a term that gained prominence in the 1980s, signifies a departure from modernist ideals. While modernism sought to dismantle established structures, postmodernism questions the very principles underlying these changes. Postmodernism is characterized by skepticism towards grand narratives and embraces pluralism and irony, reflecting a shift in cultural and intellectual paradigms. Defining characteristics. Modernism's innovations. Modernism is marked by several key characteristics that challenged and redefined artistic practices. Impressionism and subjectivity. Modernist literature emphasized how we see rather than what we see, as in the stream of consciousness technique. Narrative objectivity. Modernist novels moved away from omniscient external narration, fixed narrative points of view, and clear-cut moral positions. Genre blurring. Modernism blurred distinctions between genres, with novels becoming more lyrical and poems more prose-like. Fragmented forms. Modernist works often featured fragmented forms, discontinuous narratives, and collages of disparate materials. Reflexivity. Modernist texts frequently raised issues concerning their nature, status, and role, resulting in self-referential works. Postmodernism's reaction. Postmodernism reacted to modernist principles by embracing relativism and rejecting the notion of a single, unifying truth. Key postmodernism characteristics include intertextuality. Postmodern works often reference and incorporate other texts, creating a web of interconnected meanings. Pastiche. Postmodernism celebrates imitation and parody, mixing different styles and genres without prioritizing one over the other. Metafiction. Like modernist reflexivity, postmodern works frequently highlight their own construction and question the boundaries between fiction and reality. Irony and playfulness. Postmodernism employs irony and playfulness to critique traditional narratives and authoritative discourses. Pluralism. Postmodernism embraces diversity and multiplicity, rejecting the idea of a singular, dominant perspective. Evaluating cultural implications. Modernism's impact. Modernism's emphasis on experimentation and innovation led to significant transformations in literature, music, painting, and architecture. By rejecting traditional forms and embracing abstraction, modernists like T.S. Eliot, James Joyce, and Virginia Woolf reshaped the literary landscape. The focus on subjectivity and fragmented forms reflected the complexities of modern life, challenging readers to engage with texts on a deeper, more introspective level. Postmodernism's critique. Postmodernism's critique of modernism and its embrace of relativism had profound cultural implications. By questioning grand narratives and celebrating pluralism, postmodernism opened up new avenues for marginalized voices and diverse perspectives. However, its relativistic stance also led to criticisms of nihilism and a perceived lack of coherence. The playful and ironic nature of postmodern works challenged traditional notions of authorship and authority, fostering a more inclusive and dynamic cultural landscape. Evaluating the movements, modernism, strengths, and limitations. Modernism's strengths lie in bold experimentation and profound impact on artistic practices. Its emphasis on subjectivity and fragmented forms provided new ways of understanding and repressing the human experience. However, modernism's focus on elitism and abstraction sometimes alienated broader audiences, limiting its accessibility and appeal. Postmodernism, strengths and limitations. Postmodernism's strengths include its embrace of diversity and its critique of established narratives. By promoting intertextuality and pluralism, postmodernism fostered a more inclusive cultural environment. However, its rejection of grand narratives and authoritative discourses sometimes led to criticisms of superficiality and fragmentation, challenging the coherence and depth of postmodern works. Conclusion. Evaluating modernism and postmodernism reveals the intricate dynamics between these movements. Modernism's radical innovations and postmodernism's critical reactions both played crucial roles in shaping 20th century culture. By understanding their defining characteristics and cultural implications, we gain a deeper implications for the complexities and nuances of these transformative periods in art and literature. So this was the evaluation of modernism and postmodernism. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.